Conversion Copywriting 101. How to use copywriting to increase your conversion rates. Whether you're a website administrator, marketer, or web developer, it's critical to understand how to boost the amount of people that visit your website and, ideally, convert into customers. The technique of creating content to encourage your readers to take action, such as purchasing your products or services, is known as conversion copywriting. People frequently purchase things because they have a strong desire to satisfy a need or solve a problem. By explicitly detailing how a product will affect the reader's life if they purchase it, copywriting helps you to appeal to the reader's emotions. As a copywriter, your success is dependent on generating appealing content that attracts and persuades your target audience to buy or learn more about a product or service. This is frequently accomplished by identifying a problem or pain point and demonstrating how the product will satisfy that requirement while also addressing the problem, pain point. People are more inclined to purchase a product or service if you can address their concerns and give a solution in the form of an offer. These questions create key keywords that assist you in understanding what your website visitors want the most. As copywriters, we frequently concentrate on communicating the benefits of a product or service to the customer. Making a promise to the reader is the first stage in developing a compelling offer. Your promise should explain how your product can help them address their difficulties. Please share this video with your friends.